Hi, I'm Danny Cobden and today I'm joined by Samantha Elvy to bring you our latest market report. Well, Sam, things have certainly changed since our last report. There's been a lot of activity, hasn't there?
Absolutely. February was an outstanding month. I think everyone had a little bit of a rest after Christmas and eased back into January, but activity was absolutely up in February. We recorded one of our best months with, I think, 25 sales and 17 exchanges taking place in 1 week, which was great.
One of those highlights was the sale of 14B Grafton Street, which I think is the highest sale in the Inner West this year. For almost $3.5 million.
And to a lovely local family that we know very well, and we've subsequently sold 2 properties for them prior.
And Sam, I think that's a really important point, particularly with the premium sector of the market, is more about quality of relationships, credibility in the marketplace and market knowledge, not a Sydney-wide database where the overwhelming majority of those people are simply going to have no interest in our local area. And to highlight that point, Sam and I were recently appointed to act in a co-joint capacity with another high-profile agency for the sale of a multi-million-dollar Birch Grove home. In this particular instance, we were both permitted to go out to our respective databases, and the upshot of that sale was that we delivered multiple offers, subsequently negotiated the sale, whilst our co-agent virtually delivered nothing. Indeed, the owner of that particular property, a lady who is one of Australia's most successful businesswomen and the CEO of a company that employs over 10,000 people globally, subsequently wrote to us after the sale and stated in part, "We quickly learned firsthand that long-term buyer relationships, track record and market credibility are much more valuable to a prospective seller than any level of apparent enthusiasm, high-profile company branding and so-called Sydney-wide buyer databases."
And I think this confirms that the delivery of more buyers is more about the quality of the database and the relationships, not so much the size of it.
Absolutely. I mean, a buyer doesn't buy the first properties they see in an area. They're naturally going to do their research, and it's simply inconceivable that here in our local area, they couldn't not come into contact with us. So in summary, this healthier level of market activity has led to buyers being able to move forward with a level of confidence that we anticipate will continue throughout the rest of the year.
So on behalf of the most experienced sales team in the Inner West, we'll look forward to seeing you out and about.